நீ என்ன வேணுமோ பண்ணுமா, கொஞ்ச நேரம் படிச்சுட்டோம் நம்ம. ஆல்கமஸ் முடிஞ்சா போடு, அப்புறமா போடு. அர்ஜென்ட் இல்ல, அவசரம் இல்ல. ஆனா போடு.
Oh, my toe. I think my toe just.
எப்பா இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் விட்டுரு.
Hello.
ஹாய் யானா.
Hi.
Hi, how was your robotics last week?
Good.
Good. Okay, that's nice to know.
Let her know you didn't win.
Back to routine. Okay. Kabir, how are you, Kabir? Hey, last week you wanted to talk to somebody, right, Kabir, and you logged out.
Arihan.
Arihan, where is he? He has forgotten the class. Oh my gosh.
Can I go get something real quick?
Yes, ma, you can go quickly come.
I have a question.
Yeah, ma.
Could we review the last question of Mom's?
Last question of Moims. I can definitely do it.
Cause that was the only thing I got wrong. Cause everything else I could do easily. But on that one, I don't know why I messed up. Cause I was like so stressed. Cause I just had my performance before that, my orchestra. I don't know why, but like something just tricked me up on that question. I didn't really get it.
Not a problem at all. I can go over that, Kabir. Not a problem. See, you're only in 5th grade. Absolutely fine. See, Math Olympiad goes through. Okay. So
But, like,
I can discuss.
I would get everything right because I'm like 5th grade. So like that's like the last grade of elementary.
Oh no, 6th is the last grade of elementary. Who said that?
Pretty much like the
See. Okay. I understand, Kabir. 5th grade is I understand. Okay, 5th grade is elementary level, last grade. Okay. However, MOEMS, that particular group, they allow 6th graders to appear for. So you don't have to bother. But Kabir, in your case, I would not want you to appear in Division E next year. I want you to appear in Division M. You got it?
Okay, yes, I'll appear in Division M.
Okay. If you're really new and if you have scored maybe 1 or 2 out of a 5 only, you should appear again for. You see what I mean? Yep.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, Tanishka. How are you? Deepak, video, please, Deepak. How are you, ma?
Good.
You're in grade 5?
Yeah.
Okay. I think Arihan has completely forgotten. Let me see. Okay. Let's move on. Kabir, do you want me to discuss the Math Olympiad now or how?
I mean, honestly, I would say I would do it at the whenever you're free because I know like not many people like mostly people didn't do it, so we could like do the class subjects right now and then at the
Very
end
nice.
maybe yeah.
Good job. I really appreciate your thought about that. Good job. I'll help you, but I want to do that with you. The cube problem is what you're asking, right?
Yeah, no, the thing with like those like rectangle and like that weird shape.
Yeah, I got it. Okay. See that you open out the rectangle and find the perimeter. That's all.
What's the
Any,
I didn't get
huh?
like how do you get like the exact perimeter? Because they said the volume was 627. So then how would you get the exact perimeter? Would you like measure it with a ruler?
Did you see the solution that I sent?
You send a solution?
I know how to solve it now.
That's fine. Yeah, we're not going to discuss that, Yana, because the others didn't appear for the test and I don't want that time to be wasted in this class. But I am open to discuss that. Even you and Kabir can discuss after the class. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yana, so like how was like the Olympiad for you?
For me, I got 2 wrong.
Okay, nice. Okay, that's really good. Let's actually focus on class subjects now. Sorry.
Okay.
No problem. So nice, guys. Okay. So you Arhan also okay. Hey, David, were you able to follow the questions? You were absent, but then did you follow how to do those questions? Did you see the recording?
Yeah, I saw the recording, but I had a little trouble with the homework.
Okay, can I go over it for you? Do you know the question numbers where you had trouble with?
Yeah,
So can I open the homework?
yeah, I had trouble with 4.
You had trouble with 4. Definitely we can go over that first and then only we move on. Okay. You had problem with 4. Okay, let's go over that. Okay, guys. Tanishka, you may not understand things right off now because this was from last week. We did discuss this last week and we are just going over the homework where they had questions. You got it, Tanishka?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So Dr. Graves placed the Venn diagram and a list of numbers on the board. She asked her students to determine the label for each set of numbers. So basically, they are putting this into a Venn diagram. You know what a Venn diagram is? A circle represents one group of numbers. So what groups of numbers we have? We have the smallest group, the counting numbers, and then outside of that, what do you have? Come on, guys, from last week. What is the bigger circle?
Whole numbers.
Good, nice. Whole numbers, what is the extra thing that are there?
Uh, well, what you say?
What comes in counting numbers?
Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3.
Ah,
Oh no, I thought you said whole numbers. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
nice. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Counting numbers will have that extra
Ze-
zero. So
zero.
whole numbers involve the zero as well as all of the counting numbers. And then what?
And then there's integers.
Integers. Integers will have what extras? Integers means it's all whole numbers, counting numbers, and what?
Negative numbers.
Negative numbers, negative whole numbers, right? Okay, and then what?
Only one.
Or rational numbers.
Rational numbers. Good job. So what does that have?
That has like 0.5.
Those
Good.
rational numbers know their value.
Yes, they know what they are. They can understand themselves, right? Decimals whose repetition pattern is understood, plus any fraction. These are rational numbers. 1 minute, ma. 1 second. Okay. So after rationals, what do we have, guys? Quick, guys. This is just a review, right? Wow. What is other things we have?
Imaginary
Irrational?
or irrational?
Irrational. Let's not go to imaginary. Okay, irrational. Can you say one example of irrational?
Pi?
Pi. Good job. Another? Devansh, very nice. What other numbers? Square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of... All these are. What is the square root, Sarvat? What is the square root, Deepak?
What?
What is that? Do you know what are these?
No.
Okay, good. How about this? 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square means this is... Yeah, go ahead, Kabir.
So basically, 2 square basically means 2 times 2. So square root basically means what two numbers equal that number. So basically the square root of 25 would be 5 because 5 times 5 would be 25.
See, 5 times 5, the base is the big number that's sitting there. This is called the exponent. Base gets repeated 2 times, the exponent number of times. And then you multiply them and say the answer. That is squaring. Okay.
So it'll get multiplied the exponent number of times.
It is not 5 times 2. Please don't say it is 5 times 2. Okay. So how about what is 7 square, Deepak?
49.
Good job. What is 15 square? Who can tell me? You're working it out. It's easy. If a number ends with 5, it's very easy to work out the square. Yes, Kabir.
So basically, I do 15 times 15, 15 times 10, 150. 15 times 5. What do you call it? 75. 150 plus 75. 125.
I like that way. Good job. So what is the answer?
225.
Good job. So guys, any number that ends with a 5, right? It's easy to calculate the square. I'll tell you this year itself, okay? So when you study 7th grade math, it's going to be very easy. So here, see, any number that ends with 5, right? You can blindly put a 25 because it's squared. You can put a 25 and then whatever number remains, whatever digit or whatever number remains, go to the next number. What is the next number for 1?
2.
2. Multiply these two and write it here.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
So, which is the smaller circle? The irrational circle or the imaginary circle? Which is smaller?
We are only considering, okay, as a part of this in this exercise, we are only considering real numbers, okay? The imaginary numbers don't even come into the scope of our study, okay? For your knowledge, I said that. Okay, let's go to our main board, okay? I don't want this board. Hold on. Give me a minute, okay? We are not doing a proper job. Hold on. I want notes. How about this? Let me go here, okay? So when you look at it this here, right? 1 minute, guys. So, Arihan, we are only considering the real number system. You got it? That is what we are going to study, okay? For your benefit, I told you about imaginary numbers that come outside last week. You got it? So we are not even going to study this. You got it? They are not real numbers. So here only our small circle, big circle, all this come. This is the smallest set counting numbers. And then you have whole numbers, then you have integers, then you have rationals. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, then we have irrationals. Irrationals are this pi. Why? Because for pi, we don't know what the decimal digits are repeating after the decimal, right? So that's why it is so irrational. The name itself says it is insane. We don't know. Nobody understands the nature of repetition of the digits after the decimal. Whereas rationals, 1 by 17. If I give you 1 by 17, you go and say it's a rational number. If I give you 5, right? Please don't say it's an integer, okay? The smallest circle, you have to be very specific about its category.
Number.
5 goes to counting number. Good job. So now this is just the real number system. Now let's go back. David had a question and we were discussing that and we came out of that. Okay, now before I go there, right? I wanted you to know about how to square, right? We were discussing that. Let's discuss that and then move on. How about 5 square? See, blindly put a 25. Blindly put a 25 because it ends with a 5, 5 square 25. Similarly, 15 square, again I put a 25 for this 5, but then what I'm left over is 1. 1 times 2 is a 2. What is 25 square? Quick guys, this should be easy for you. You want to try, Tanishka? This one is easy for you, right?
625.
Oh, good. 2 times 3 is 625. Good job. Okay, can I call out names now? Okay, how about 55 square? Deepak, you try, Deepak.
Okay.
Try. It's okay to go wrong.
Yeah.
We are in the class. Go ahead. Mm-hmm.
So that would be 25, and then 5 times 6, right? And then that would be 30.
Wow. See?
Yeah.
How about this? Devansh.
So the first one, 25.
Mm-hmm.
And then next one you do times 45.
Mm.
And
What
then
is it?
you get 20.
Good job. Tanishka, you want to try?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What is 65 square?
Yeah, auntie, I don't get it.
For
I'll
25,
go. 25 blind. Okay. And after that, whatever is left over. Are you-
42.
Yeah. Whatever is left over. 6 is left over. 6 times 7 is 42. You got it?
Where did the 7 come from?
The next number to this.
Oh.
You got it? Okay. Try
Wait,
Arhan.
how did you
105
get?
square.
How did you get like 25?
25 is, see, 5 times 5, it always ends with the 25.
Oh yeah.
Okay, how about 105 square? Quick, guys, go ahead. How about 105 square? Arihan, I want you to say. Go ahead.
I still don't get it.
Arihan, you want me to help you?
Yes.
Blindly go with the
25.
Then 10 times.
11.
What is it?
110.
That's it. You got it?
Oh.
Okay, good. We'll move on now, please. Okay, I think most of you got
Wait,
it.
what about
Let's go on.
me?
Oh, sorry, Anna. It's always I forget you, right? That's bad of me. Okay, let's try this one. 95 square. Go ahead, Yana.
Okay, so it's the last two digits are 25,
Mm-hmm.
and then 9 times 10 is 90.
Good job. Can we move on now? Okay, but that was not what we wanted to learn at all. Okay, David, we are here, David. Okay, back to square one. What was your question? So here he wanted us to answer this question for him. Let's go over that. So here there's a Venn diagram, right? Which Venn diagram shows it correctly? So basically they have grouped integers, whole numbers, rational numbers. So you all know now what are integers, what are whole numbers, what are rational numbers, and what overlaps
Counting.
all the three. That's what
Counting.
comes in the small bit.
Counting.
True. Good job. Correct. That is the counting numbers. Good job. So now, guys, I would like you all to look at this. Send me the answer option. Okay. Then I'll explain if there are people who still don't understand. David. David.
Yeah.
So do you understand what type of a number is this, David?
Yeah.
What is it?
-0.24.
Yeah, minus 0.24 is what type of a number? Counting, whole, integer, rational. What type of a number?
Rational.
Good job, rational. For it to be an integer, it has to be a whole number. 5 by 17 is what type of a number, David?
Wait, and decimal?
See, any fraction. If you see a fraction with a numerator and a denominator, you can blindly say it's a rational number. You got it?
Okay.
287 is what type of a number?
It's a whole number.
Good job. But is it a whole number? I said you have to be very specific, right? It is a whole number, I agree. But you have to be very specific. So what is the innermost circle?
Wait, what?
See, you have to think about the innermost circle. Did you see that in the recording? This is counting.
Oh, yeah.
So 287 will belong to whole number circle or the counting number circle?
Okay.
So it belongs to where? It's a counting number. Do you see it?
I think the counting numbers before were only 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
It goes on and on. There was a dot, 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 dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, 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 dot. It goes.
Oh, okay, okay. So anything but 0.
Yes. 0 is the only addition to the whole number set. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, now would you be able to work on this and let me know the answer option quick, guys? Okay, we are only reviewing. Come on. Tanishka, I'm not expecting answers from you right away, ma.
You be sending in chat.
Yeah, ma, you can send it in chat.
Is mine correct?
1 second, ma, I'm checking on something. Hold on. See, for me, hmm. Okay. Good job, Deepak. Yana, did you think about the 1.3? Does it belong to an integer? The 1.3 repeating?
Wait, that's 1.3?
Yeah, which
Like-
is, see,
I saw it as 13.
see this one, right? That is not an integer. Even if it is 13, it should have belonged to whole number and integer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And if it was 13, it's also a counting number, so it should have come inside the small piece, right? Okay, correct. Kabir and Arihan, you got it right. But Devansh, can you explain what made you say so?
Is it correct now?
Yes, Yana, you're right now. Good job. Okay, now Devansh and David, I really want you both to explain, please, your thoughts. Go ahead, ma. Hey, Devansh and David, one of you, please.
So I thought the 1.3 was part of the rational numbers.
Correct. It is a part of the rational number. Correct, Devansh. That's right. That 1.3 repeating the decimal does understand what its repetition pattern is. This means 1.3333. It knows
Has a
itself.
brain.
So it is a rational number. That's correct, Devansh. But where you went wrong, think about it. That is correct. That categorization is correct for you. But you know what? As soon as you see, right, think about this 287. Think about this 287. 287 is a whole number. I told you it has to be in the innermost circle. So 287 is a counting number which occurs in the middle part, which is an integer.
Oh.
See, so none of this is right. This is not right. This is not right. Either this has to be right or this has to be right. You have to figure it out between F and J. David, in your scenario, what went wrong? Shall I tell you?
Yeah.
Yes, Devansh, that's right.
Can
So,
ask my dad something?
yeah, in your case, David, everything was right. But did you understand what the difference between these two numbers is? They put, see, 1.3 repeating is an integer. Huh? Any decimal is never an integer, right? So this is incorrect. Did you get it?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Let me move on now. Tanishka, are you able to follow, ma?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's nice to hear. Let's see. Okay. Any other questions in the homework? Any other questions in the homework?
Not for me.
Not for you. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to move on, guys. I'm going to review rationals again with another assignment. And then only I'm going to move on to hey, did we cover integer operations in this class? Did we cover integers? Yeah, we covered, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Did we or didn't we? I need to check.
I think we did.
I think we did. I
Hmm.
remember getting stuck
One
on.
second. I'm also going to check once more. Mm.
Oh yeah. We did like negative divided by.
We did the puzzles. Remember 12 pages of puzzles. You remember? So you know what? As a part of this week's homework, right? I'm going to give you a test like 12 questions. Okay, 12 questions only. But you have to time yourself for 10 minutes and try writing that that test. Okay. So that's for homework. Okay. I'm not going to discuss that now.
It's gonna be
But
as
you,
hard as like the 30 question quiz.
you want a 30 question quiz? For now, the integer one is a 12 question quiz.
Oh,
Okay.
is it gonna be as hard as a 30 question one, like the test we got once?
Yes.
Is it gonna be as that hard?
Oh, no. I forgot to send that score, right, guys? No. Okay, this will be relatively very easy. Okay. Now, can you all see my board? I'm going to review the rational numbers only still. There's a lot more you can go bad with, meaning we are not yet there, very honestly. Okay. So we are just going to review that and then we'll move. Let's see. How would this? It's all about rational numbers, fractions, negative fractions, decimals. How about this? Which value does P best represent? Be careful, guys. Which one, guys? Tanishka, there is a chat window, ma. Do you know, have you worked with Zoom, Tanishka?
Sorry?
Have you worked with Zoom? Have you worked in Zoom? Do you know about the chat window?
Yeah.
Okay, can you chat the answer with me? Answer option?
Okay.
We send it in chat.
Uh-huh. Hey, good guys. Everybody got it. Okay, let me wait for Tanishka.
Can I explain at the end?
Absolutely, but just wait. Hey, what Deepak? You see, good job. Everybody got it. Okay. Tanishka, you want my help, ma, here?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, he wanted to explain. Let me allow him to explain. But before that, hey, Deepak, what's going on? Why are you guessing? Can you tell what made you to guess rather than being confident?
I don't know. I don't know.
What do you mean by that? Then why did you make that guess? Can you tell me why you made that guess?
Because um because 1/2 is closer to 2/3 is closer to the whole, and
Correct. That's how it
number
is.
line
It's
is
not a guess. It's
closer
an
to the whole.
educated, properly understood answer. Good job. Okay. That's what I wanted to know. Fine. Now, who wanted to explain? Arihan, no playing Arihan. You
Excuse
lose
me.
track, Arihan, of the class.
So for this one, if you look at 1 and 1/3, it wouldn't be that one because the dot would be more closer to 1, and for 1 and 1/2, it would it isn't 1 and 1/2 because it would be like exactly in the middle for that one, and it isn't 2 and 1/3 because that would be like basically over the number line. It would be across at 2, and 1 and 2/3 is the best like the best representation because if you were like able to zoom in, like if you added marks there, you could see that it can be more closer to 2.
Good job. That is true. So here, see, when you look at this, you can look at this and compare with benchmark fraction. Half means exactly right smack in the middle, right? That black dot is not right smack in the middle. 2 1/3 goes above 2 because 2 and then 1/3 fraction is also there. It goes above 2. This is not the answer. How about is it between is it 1/3 or it's so nearby? But when you think about it, see, between 1 and 2, there is one hole, right? Between 1 and 2, there is one hole. If I split it up into 3 pieces, right? This is 1 1/3. This is 1 2/3, correct? And the black dot seem to be near the 2, not 1. So basically, if it is 1/3, it will be near 1. If it is 2/3, it's near 2. So basically, this represents 1 2/3. Did you guys get it? Yes, David, go ahead.
Is this our homework? I'm just wondering.
What is it?
Is this our homework?
Yes, how do you know?
Oh,
How do you know?
I don't know. I can tell. I can tell.
Okay, how about this, the negative number?
Miss Priya?
You've gotten so used to David now. Go ahead.
Miss Priya.
Yes, Mona.
When I learned about benchmarks for some reason in first grade, but all by myself on Google because I was just randomly searching up some stuff. So then I found it and I learned it. And then in this year, when they taught us about benchmarks, all the kids are so confused.
Oh, it got oh, yeah, true. Initially it is, but after that it becomes very easy, right? Let's try this one.
Yeah.
See, there's a negative decimal, guys. You need to be very careful here. It's a little tricky. Arihan, that's correct. Kabir, that's correct. David, think about it, David. Yes, Deepak and Yana.
Wait, could I explain this one?
Absolutely, David. 1 minute. I will just wait for who. Yeah, Devansh. Think about it, Devansh. See, Devansh and David,
Oh,
you
I
both
see what I got wrong.
almost there, but there
I
is
just now
something
saw what I
missing,
got
guys.
wrong.
Yeah. Tanishka, you want to try chatting with me, ma?
Yeah. Is it right?
I saw your answer. Good job, guys. Okay, all of you got it. Okay, but I'm going to explain. Okay, Kabir, you go ahead and explain. Anyway, Tanishka needs explanation. Go ahead.
Okay, so basically, look at it. We have 0 right in the middle.
Uh-huh.
So then that means the line between -1 and 0 must be 0.5. So
Correct.
we
Whatever is right smack in the middle is 0 minus 0.5. Correct. Then?
So let's go over all the answers just to clarify which one is right. So if you look at D, that would be 0.25 because what's in the middle of 0.5 and 0? Well, then make that 0.5 of 50. What's in the middle of 50 and 0? 0.25. So that means 0.25 would be that. And then C would be probably like 0.45 or 0.35. So that's like crossed out.
Correct.
B, well, let's see, 0.5 and -1. See, what's in the middle? Well, then 100 minus 50, or sorry, what's in the middle of 150? Well, if we take that and we average that, that would be 75. That means that would be 0.75. And just to revise A would probably be 95 or something like that.
Minus 0.85 or minus 0.90, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Tanishka, what tricked you was 0 to 1. This is one whole, ma. You took this as one whole. Did you get it? This is one whole. So halfway through is minus 0.5. You see? So minus 0.75 should be A or B. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Now, could you tell me what is halfway between 0.5 and 1, Tanishka? What is halfway between 0.5 and 1?
B.
Ma, I have no idea what you have done. So I'm just asking you. If you don't know, you say, yeah, I don't know. That's it.
B.
Uh, uh,
in chat.
B is correct, ma. I'm not asking about that. I'm just asking a different question. What is halfway between 0.5 and 1? Just on a number line, ma. 0, 1. What is halfway between? With what? If you don't know, I don't know. Simple. Don't worry about it. Okay, no problem. No problem. You are not yet ready. That's fine. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll ask you later again. Don't worry. I'll bug you. Okay, let's move on, guys. This is a good one. Let's see. If you get it right, I'm going to move on. Okay, waste of time if we keep getting it correctly. Go ahead. Maybe this is the last one. Just be careful, guys. These are negative numbers. You really need to be careful. Okay, guys. David, I really want you to recheck your answer. Think about it. These are negative numbers. Write down the numbers, what will come on each of the small markings. Correct. Oh, you corrected it. Good job, David. See, before you send the answer or write the answer at school, just think twice, review, David. That'll really go a long way. Yes, everybody got it. Good job, guys. Tanishka, did you understand what's going on, Tanishka, here?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, looks like it, but let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay, okay. Now, ordering with the negatives is what I want to know. Okay, how about this? You're going to, quick one. This is a quickie. Okay, this is not a hard one. How about this? Hey, did we go over absolute value, guys, last week?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I don't remember going through. Okay.
Second of all, aren't in
Hey, Kabir, I did not let you explain something. You did, right? I don't remember.
mm,
Hey, Arihan, you logged off last week. Kabir wanted to discuss something with you, remember? We were calling Arihan, and you were gone. He wanted to discuss with you. Remember, I said I'll put you in the breakout room. You can discuss. I told you, right?
oh, I forgot about.
No problem. I'm just saying, okay. So today, if you want to do it, I don't know what was the topic. I honestly forgot, but I'm just saying. Okay. I think this is good, guys. David, why that? Kabir, really? Did you check? Did you read the problem?
Yeah, which list only contains integers?
Yeah, which one?
Yeah, why would it not be D?
Think
I
about
said
what are integers, Kabir?
integers are negative numbers.
Negative
Numbers.
whole numbers.
Negative whole numbers.
None of the numbers are negative in D.
Okay, wait, but they're fractions. It can fractions not represent negative numbers?
Fraction. Okay, wait. Something is wrong.
Because I mean,
No worries, no worries. Hold on. 1 second.
Can you go get water?
Okay, guys. So when you look at it, right, Kabir, let's go over this, Kabir. 0, 1, -1. These are integers. But to be very specific, this is a whole number. Whatever on the left, 2, the whole numbers, these are all counting numbers on the right. But when you think about the left, right, only when the negatives come in, negative whole numbers come in, right? Then they become integers, right?
Yeah.
Now, when you think about minus 0.5 or minus 1/2 is this, right? This is a plus 1/2. These are fractions, right? Any fraction I told you belong to the rational numbers.
oh, okay. Then what list here would have only negative numbers?
No. It is not, see, integers is not just negatives, right? Because when you see the circles, right? Integers also contained what other circles? It
Counting.
also contained whole and counting. So remember, they can also be considered as integers.
Oh, okay. So basically, any number except for a fraction can be considered an integer except for rational and irrational.
Not really, right? If you're given 1.5.
Any whole number from
Yes.
Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense. Thank you.
Okay, now let's see. David, did you arrive at an answer between B and C?
It's
It's difficult. Okay. Okay, Tanishka got it, Arihan got it, Deepak got it. Devansh got it. Okay. Yana and Kabir, we are going to discuss this. Yana, Kabir, and David. Go ahead. Yana, Kabir, and David, go ahead with your explanations.
Oh, okay. So, well, actually, I already told mine
Oh,
fractions.
you
So,
already told yours. Please send.
wait, no, okay, no, didn't I already say I thought fractions were integers, so that's why I chose D.
Yeah, now it's not the case, right?
Yeah, that's why now actually I think the answer would be B because it contains
Correct.
it contains counting numbers, negative numbers, and whole numbers, and it's not like any point.
Correct. Yana, why did you choose Seema?
I switched to the A just now.
Yeah, see, the culprit in C is, yeah, I also felt C was an answer, but the culprit is this. This is not an integer. You get it?
Yeah, so then I picked A because D has all fractions, so it can't be it.
Yeah, these are all rationals. This is rational, right?
Yeah.
Then the others, this is all counting numbers. This is an integer. You got it?
Yeah.
Now go ahead. A or B, Yana?
A.
A is all decimals, right?
Yeah.
Does it belong to integers?
No.
Uh,
So it's B because some of them are negative numbers, which are integers, and some of them are
yeah,
whole
but they are
numbers.
all whole, okay? But some are negative. So this is integer set. But Yana, I don't know whether you really understood. What is this set of numbers? What is that set? Entire set of numbers.
Rationals.
Good. That's what I wanted to know. Good job. Okay.
Can I get water?
Yeah. Yes, ma. Go ahead. You can just send a message and go and come back. Don't switch off your video. Hey, David, did you understand what was the answer now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay. How about okay, guys? And another thing, one small concept. It's not a big one, but I did not. I forgot to say last week. Okay, it will come. It is a part of grade 6 standards. Okay, so absolute value. What is absolute value? You know, on a number line, I have 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. You know, absolute value, you know what I do? I put a pipe that represents this, the symbol for absolute value. Okay, when I say pipe, and inside if I put a 3, right? What I'm asking for is absolute value of 3. What does it mean? It's a very sophisticated term, looks like, but it is not. Absolute value of 3 is nothing but I'm asking for the number of units, the distance from 0. Basically, the number of units from 0 to that number. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3 units are there. So the absolute value of 3 is 3. Now, what is the absolute value of -3? What is the absolute value of -3?
I think I know.
We send in chat.
You can shout it out. We are only discussing.
Actually, I think maybe it could
-3.
positive 3. Maybe it could be positive 3.
3, it is not a -3. Absolute value is always positive because you're just considering the number of units.
Wait, so basically, so here's what I like taught in like this whole thing. So basically, if it's a negative number, just take that number and switch the negative sign to a positive sign. So if you're like -5, then the absolute value of -5 would be +5 because it's 5 like units away from 0.
Correct.
Wait, I have a question. Then
Go ahead.
can't you just write it as just 5?
Yes, 5 is the answer.
Yeah, but instead of writing it inside of the 2 pillars, can't you just write 5 normally?
Yes. You can write it instead of writing a -5 inside the pillar, that's the same as it's the same as writing a 5. This means absolute value of -5. What I'm asking is, what is the distance of -5 from 0? How many units is -5 from 0? 5 units, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is. Correct. But now I can make all things complicated for you if I start giving you problems like this. What is that? What is the absolute value of -3?
+3.
Really? Who gave me this answer? Let me check 1 minute.
Me, I gave you.
Arihan, is that correct? I don't think it's correct, Arihan. Let's try. I'm not sure though.
I was thinking that was the sum of the 4 absolute values.
True, that's true. But then, did you think about it? Absolute value of -3 is 3. Then I copy this minus. Absolute value of minus again 3. Then I copy
didn't see the minus sign.
Would it be actually what do you call it? Sorry, would it be 6?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I get it. So just do negative. This is +3, then -0 +3 equals 3, and then +3 again equals 6.
Yep.
So basically, you're just doing 3 minus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Yes. So first you need to find out the absolute values, write it down, and then copy the operations in between. You got it?
Yeah.
Tanishka, are you following this? Are you following this, ma? Hey, Tanishka,
Yeah.
you're following this?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a quick question for you, Tanishka. Can I ask you?
Yeah.
What is 3/4 as a decimal? Send it in chat, ma. Okay, for the others, right? I'm going to give you one problem. You're going to send the answer in chat. Don't shout out, guys, please. Send the decimal value in chat, ma, Tanishka. Hey, guys, that's not a question for everybody, okay? I know that we have dealt with fraction decimal percentages already. I just want to know Tanishka, since she is new, I want to make sure, that's all. Go ahead, Tanishka, send it to me. Others can work on this problem. Ma, if you know, just say no. If you don't know, just say you don't know, ma, so that I understand what you know, ma, Tanishka. Okay, how about this, ma? How about this? 2/3, 2/3 is greater or 5/6 is greater?
Wait,
Guys,
all of us solve that?
each of you are giving one answer for this one. Go ahead, Tanishka. Which is greater, ma? Arihan, this was the only question. I know that we have dealt with this, I know. Tanishka, are you able to do that?
Was my answer correct? Yeah.
Okay, I'm checking on that one. Okay, Kabir, you got it right. Deepak, I want you to recheck the answer. Devansh, I want you to recheck the answer. David, I want you to recheck the answer. Yana, I want you to recheck the answer. Arihan, you got it right.
Could I explain it?
You can very well explain it. Go ahead. Yes, Tanishka, thank you. Go ahead, ma. Kabir, go ahead.
Okay, so let's see the problem. So let's go over A. What's the absolute value of 3? 3. What's the absolute value of -3? +3. But look at the negative sign right next to the like the 2 pillars. That would indicate that it's -3. And -3 does not equal +3. So that means that one's crossed out. Then B, if we look at that, +3's absolute value is 3, and then -3 equals 3, and then again we have the pillar, but then -3 is not greater than +3, so that's wrong again. Now see C, we see it's -3 for the first one, and then equals positive 3, which does not work out. And then negative 3 for the first one, and then like for D in the first one, and then positive 3 for the second one, which that does work out because positive 3 is greater than negative 3.
Good job, guys. Okay, quick ones. Okay, quick ones. It's just a review. What is 2.5 times 1/4? All of you send in chat. The quicker we are, the better it is.
Oh, sorry, I messed up my answer. I mistyped.
Is my answer correct?
Yes, I'm checking.
Is my answer correct?
Kabir, that's right. Tanishka, that's right. Arihan, that's right. Deepak, is that right? Deepak, that doesn't seem right, right?
Wait, what?
David, that doesn't seem right. Deepak, that doesn't seem right. David, that doesn't seem right to me. Can you check, please? Deepak and David. Please, guys, check once.
I keep getting the same answer.
You keep getting the same answer, okay? Can I go ahead and check? David, that seems incorrect. Okay. Can I go ahead and explain to both of you?
Yeah.
So I asked you, oh my gosh, what did I do? Okay. So I asked you, what is this, right? So the best way I would have done is 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 times 1 by 4. So how much is it? 5 by 2 times 1 by 4 is 5 by 8. David, did you get it?
Oh, I forgot you don't have to get common denominator.
Yup, you have to
Yeah.
remember. I have 30 lb sand. I want to split into containers that can hold 1 by 3 lb. How many containers do I need? Go ahead, guys, quick. We are just reviewing again. Yana, send the answer, ma.
I'm still solving it.
Arihan, good job. Kabir, good job. David, I want you to redo, David. Somewhere, something is wrong. Okay, Deepak, that's right. Deepak, very proud of you.
Yeah.
Feel good, right?
Yeah.
Nice. See, the more interactive you are, the class becomes interesting, right, Deepak?
Yeah.
Of late, I see it in you. Good job. David, I'm going to help you, David. Yeah, no, that's right. Okay, let me go ahead. Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead. Tanishka, I'm not expecting answer from you. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and explain. I have 30 lb sand. Okay. This is my big sand bag that is containing 30 pounds. I want to split it into containers, each of which can hold 1 by 3 lb, 1 by 3 lb, 1 by 3 lb. Small, small containers, I'm going to make them too. 30 divided by 1 by 3. So I'm just asking how many 1 by 3s are there in the 30 lb?
Can I explain the equation part?
Go ahead.
So when dividing with a whole number and a fraction, you turn the whole number into a fraction by just putting 30 by 1 and then 1 by 3. And you change it to multiplication, and you change the second number to its reciprocal, which is 3 by 1. And you multiply those together, which becomes 90 by 1, and you can just call that 90. So 90 containers.
Good job, Devansh. You know what, David, what you did, you forgot to do the reciprocal. That's all.
Question.
I get it. I get it now.
Yeah, no problem. Yes. Yes, Kabir, what was that?
So if we go back to the problem,
Sorry. Go ahead.
what if you reciprocal the first number?
Oh, please don't do that. That's the thing that you should never do.
Wait, okay, so you're always supposed to reciprocal the second number? Oh, okay. No, so one time I was just like learning it with my dad like before, and he told me you can do the first number if you want, but
Oh,
I
no,
guess
no, no. No, you can't do the first number. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, 4. There are 4 apples. Okay. I'm saying, see what I mean by saying 4 divided by half. I'm asking how many halves are there in 4. How many halves are there?
8.
Yeah, 8, right? So how do you do that? 4 times 2 by 1. So the second fraction that follows only you should find the reciprocal. You got it? So 4 divided by 1 by 4 is what? How many quarters are there in 4 apples? You got it?
12. Sorry, 16.
16. Good job. Okay, do you all get it? Okay, now I'm going to make the problem a little bit different. I want the previous problem, guys. Oh my gosh, I deleted it. 1 minute, guys. I'm going to go back to the previous problem. I got it back. Okay, so I'm going to delete what is not required. Tanishka, I know some of them I'm not asking you. I clearly know, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to change certain things. How about this? I have half lb sand. I want to split it into containers that each can hold 1 by 30 lb. How many containers do I need? Arihan, I'll come there. I saw your question. Good question though. It's an undefined operation in mathematics, Arihan. The operation, wherever you see a division by 0, because see, you have 4 apples, you want to divide it to 0%. Can there be a question like that? It will be 4 divided by 0.
I thought that 0 divided by 0 is 0 because you're splitting 0 into 0 parts.
Honestly, Arihan, I've asked my dad the same question so many times. I'm exactly like you. I asked my dad so many times, but he always tells me it's undefinable, and I'm always so confused. Why?
My brother says it's undefined, but my dad says it's 0.
Oh, it is undefined. Any operation that involves division by 0, you can blindly say it is undefined operation in mathematics. Mathematics does not know division by 0. Can I say that, Arihan? So to your question, the answer is undefined. Now, I'm waiting for your answers. Some of you have it, some of you don't have it. Arihan, Kabir, Tanishka, Yana, you got it. Deepak, Devansh, where is your answer, Devansh?
I thought I sent my answer for this question.
David, can I get your answer? Oh, yeah,
I-
you got
I also sent my answer.
David, how did you do that? Deepak, you know what? Is it not simplifiable, the answer that you sent? You should always simplify and send, I've told you, right? Any fraction, if you get it, you have to simplify and then only send it to me.
Okay.
David, was that right? I had half LB sand. Okay. That is being split into what? 1 by 30, 1 by 30, 1 by 30. I'm asking how many 1 by 30s are there in 1 by 2? What do you do? 1 by 2 times 30 by 1, right? 15 containers. David, did you get it?
Flip.
Huh?
I forgot to flip.
Yeah, again. Okay, may not be next time. Okay, let's see. One or two more I want to give you guys. Let's see. Okay, how about this? This is going to be a little tricky, but I've discussed squares with you, so I'm going to let you break your head on a couple of homework problems. Go ahead. That's a little bit tricky. The parenthesis there denotes what?
Wait, does the parentheses symbol absolute value? Because is it supposed to be pillars or
Absolute value, the pillar has to be there, remember?
so
Then only it is absolute value and all. Here there is no absolute value symbol. Okay, Tanishka, have you heard of PEMDAS? David, that seems right to me. Arihan, that seems right to me. Devans, can you check your answer? Tanishka, have you heard of PEMDAS? Have you heard of board mass?
sorry?
Have you heard of board mass, ma? No. If you have heard of it, it's okay. If you have not heard of it, it's okay. I'm just asking you if you have heard of board mass or PEMDAS.
Yeah, I have used PEMDAS.
You've used PEMDAS. Okay, good. Okay. Good. Deepak, how did you get that? Good job, Tanishka. How did you get that? David, good job. You corrected it. Devansh and Deepak, can you please describe how you got it, guys?
So I got B because after I did 3 minus 4, I knew that was -1. And
Wait. What I was discussing with Tanishka about PEMDAS, did you forget the entire thing? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Did you forget? So what gets more priority? Don't worry about this. Parenthesis, exponents, don't worry about it. Multiplication, division gets more priority, right? When there is no operation, this is 4 times half. That gets the most priority. So that becomes 4 by 2, which is 2. So 3 minus 2 plus 7. Now there is only addition subtraction. When there are both addition and subtraction, go from left. This one becomes 1 plus 7, which is 8. Deepak, did you get it?
Yeah, I was gonna put that and then
Okay.
I just
Okay, no problem. Devansh, did you understand your mistake?
yes.
You did? Okay.
I did
What?
reciprocal on a multiplication problem. I don't know why.
Priya,
Okay, I'm going to give you a challenge at the end. This is the last problem for the class.
Miss Priya, can I show you something?
Yes, ma.
Wait, I'm gonna send it.
I'm going to admit the other people. Okay, I'm going to admit the other class kids, but this is your last problem. Go ahead. Yes, Yana, I'm waiting for you to show something.
I don't know why it's not showing up for some reason.
No problem. Okay. Hey, Subi, I know that you're going to be for only the first half of class, right? 7th grade kids, you can have, I'm sorry, Algebra 1 kids, you can have your videos off. For a minute, okay? Just help me out for a minute. Subi, I got the message from your mom. Mm-hmm. It's a little tricky, guys. Let me see. I'm just asking for an answer on that.
Can I solve it?
Oh, absolutely. Why not?
I sent.
Hey, Kabir. Kabir, I sent out the solution. Can you verify with your dad?
Wait, you mean for which one? Olympiad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, actually I think he told me about it. Oh, okay, that's right. He said he's gonna explain it to me this Friday. Actually, I remember him telling me about it. He
Okay.
said he just wanted to explain it to me because he was like busy, but like he's gonna do it like soon.
Miss Priya.
Can I let him explain to you? You
Miss
didn't.
Priya.
Yeah, Maya, go ahead.
My switch camera button is blocking the first number, so I can't.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Devansh, it's good to ask. I'm glad you asked. How about this? Is this okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Go ahead. I'm going to let the others in, guys. Okay, you'll solve this. If you solve this, then you can leave. Otherwise, I'll explain to you.
Is this correct?
I didn't get it.
Yana,
I didn't get it.
Yana, I'm not able to view that link, Yana. You have sent me a link. Tanishka, good job. You can log off. I'll talk to your mom later as a follow-up. Or your mom can ping me as a follow-up. You got it?
I'll
Tanishka.
send a screenshot.
Did
You
I get
understand?
it correct?
Kabir, you got it right. Arihan, you didn't get it right.
Did I get it right?
Kabir, you got it right. Deepak, what is your answer? No. Okay, guys, I'm going to do it on the board. Tanishka, you can log off, and there were two that can log off. Kabir, you can log off too.
What about me talking to Arihan?
Oh, Arihan, yeah, sorry. I can put you in the breakout room. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let me finish this and let you go. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, right? This is a minus 6 by 5 divided by 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5, 11 by 6 minus 11 by 6, right? So minus 6 by 5, you change it to multiplication 6 by 11, minus 6 by 11. So that gets you to 36 by 55. Did you all get
Oh,
it?
I
Yeah, I
forgot
got
to
it. Yeah.
switch the numerator and denominator places.
Yeah, that's a common mistake, you know.
I kept
Okay.
messing up, so I got so annoyed.
Uh-huh.
I
So
sent a
now,
screenshot of it.
what is it?
I sent a
Yeah,
screenshot.
send it in. Yama, please send it in
I
WhatsApp.
did.
WhatsApp, you send it?
I sent it on my